Welcome to this captivating journey through the natural beauty of Sweden. As evening descends, the historical mill and its surroundings take on a different kind of charm. The soft glow of lanterns and the rustling of leaves create a peaceful ambience, perfect for a romantic stroll or a moment of quiet reflection. If you plan to visit Hallamölla Waterfall, keep in mind that the best time to experience its beauty is during the spring and early summer when the water flow is at its peak.
For full video, please click the link below or visit our website. See you there.